Let's talk about how to fix overmodulated dialogue. Let's talk about how to fix overmodulated dialogue. Like the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up iZotope RX10 and load the D-clip module. Now, once you go ahead and open it up, you'll go ahead and see two bars show up on either side. They might end up looking something like this. Highlight the selection that you want D-clip to look at, and then click Suggest. Now, if your clip is heavily modulated like this one is, your selectors might not move. So let's go ahead and click Preview. Let's talk about how to fix overmodulated dialogue. So that doesn't sound terrible, but we can actually make the sound better by going ahead and lowering the makeup gain until it sounds, right. Let's talk about how to fix overmodulated dialogue. Okay, so let's go ahead and settle for around 5, and then we'll render that out. So as you can see, we're starting to restore some of the dynamics, but now we can go ahead and do a second pass. So let's go ahead and highlight our selection again and click Suggest. And now you see that our thresholds move. Let's go ahead and lower our makeup gain again. Let's talk about how to fix overmodulated dialogue. Now, while this is not perfect, it does take the mass amount of edge off of the modulated sound. Anyways, I hope that's helped you guys. Go make some noise.